Hey there, everyone. Peish here, and welcome to Saturday Live. And yes, Saturday Live is back. YouTube will take a little bit while to just send the notification. And in the meantime, we can just stay and wait for users to come around. I know it's been long, really, really long that I haven't done this live session. It's been quite a while. Hey, Animesh. Hey, Manish. Hey, Rishabh Jain. How are you? Creative JE. Hey, man. How are you? So, how are you doing these days? Absolutely rocking. I'm just enjoying every single day and every single bit, uh, just like that. And yes, other things have been really, really busy in the past couple of months. The reason for being busy is in the last like 2 months, I have produced over 250 videos. Almost all of you know that I have produced these number of videos. All of them went on to Learn Code Online, some in private course as well, like a couple of them, but most of them were actually courses. So yeah, so there was one nice thing here. Hello, I'm your great fan. Please call my name. Hey, Sawagya Ranjan Vlogs. Do you make vlogs? I would love to check out your vlogs as well. Probably I can learn something. I would love to see that. Manol, Brazil, one of the destination I would love to be there. Hello, Hitesh. Zihan A. Zihan A means Ahmed. आज एक सेंटेंस हिंदी में बोल दीजिए. अरे बिल्कुल हिंदी की क्या बात है ऐसी. Love from Mexico. Adios, my friend. Adios. Hola, amigos. Hey, love from Kolkata, Amrit Chakravarti. Hey, thank you so much. Hey, I want to join your course. Hey, you can join it up at learncodeonline.in. TikTok video was very good. Actually, I'm actually planning and writing some stuff for the one more video. It's just there. I need to plan it more. The next video is going to be pretty more fantastic, and we are working on it. We're working on it. Love from Pakistan. Thank you so much. Sir, what about internship versus freelancing? I will make videos. I just got back onto YouTube and stuff. We will be getting all these stuffs. Do you meditate? Not so much. I hit the gym because that's kind of my meditation. And I'm doing pretty good health-wise. I am absolutely fantastic. Probably like the best. Sir, आज का video हिंदी में? No, I don't think so. No, not really this one. So let's keep Hindi aside for a minute. I want internship in your company. Probably you can call at our number and can try out. Yash Ranjan, hey Yash Ranjan, how is it going on? Hey, I'm also here. Previous week I was thinking about Saturday Live, and this week it's here. Yes, thank you, Ranjan, because thank you, Yash, because just because guys like you who are passionate coders and are now a part of our team. Glad to say that we are able to do it. Live is back because I'm getting more free time, and Yash and all these people who are in our team actually knows how much videos we are producing in last couple of days. Yash already knows about it. He is enrolled in some of the private courses. So yeah, what is your business model? It's not like hidden business. Definitely it's not. It's not hidden or anything. We always show up pretty nicely that these are our courses that you want to buy. So for Learn Code Online, it's pretty simple. Hey, there's one comment about basketball. Hey, Kumar Nilesh, whenever you say okay, there is a super chat from Karthik Singh. Moving Paris for my internship. Thanks a lot, sir. Hey, Karthik, congratulations. So which part of the Paris you are right now? Because I might be in Europe in May, so I can travel back and forth to Paris. It would be nearby. So let me know if you are living by near wherever you are living. Just let me know. Probably we can hang around. Probably can have a coffee. Okay. Blockchain course, sir, and future of blockchain in India. Um, I'm really not into that much of the blockchain stuff. Definitely, I can read more about it or something. But right now, just to update you guys, recently there was one more case that was filed up for one of the Bitcoin wallet that were using the blockchain and stuff. So again, the case was filed on a Bangalore-based company in which the founders of the company tried to put a kiosk, like ATM machine for the Bitcoin, and probably they're going to face like sentence or something. So Bitcoin is great, but the way it got started in India, just because everybody was interested in Bitcoin, not the blockchain, that was a bad start. Instead, I would have assumed that if some company like Dropbox could have come out and say that we are using blockchain to store your files or something, and that got popular, I think that would be an amazing start. But right now, it's on a bad start. Were you a topper in your college or school exams? I was a backbencher. So, okay. Uh, site developed by someone else, you call yourself programmer, then why is your personal site developed by someone else? Hey man, I call this as love. There was some love by Raman. He said, I have worked really hard on your website and I want you to, if just you like, you can upload my work on your website. I would be really thankful. I said, of course. That is the love, my dear friend. In all of my courses, you can see in my front-end development course, we have created like 14 projects. In the Bootstrap, there are more beautiful website than my personal one, which we have created like 5 or 6. Surely I can develop it, just a matter of a week. But it's the love. That is the most important thing. It's not about how beautiful it looks. It's about the intention behind developing such websites. So how can I say no to a person who has worked so hard for me and is saying and is requesting, and also is my friend, personal friend, and saying, hey, I want you to upload that. So that's what we are working on. Do you have a Flutter course? We do have right now a Dart course. So I think most of you can guess what we are cooking up next at Learn Code Online. So I think, yeah. uh, मैं जोधपुर से हूँ. Hey, Kamagani. Sir, Android development is still a nice career in 2021? Of course it is. Of course it is. It's not going anywhere. Android is still rocking. It's amazing. Okay, so how can I create YouTube videos? I'm planning to become a good YouTuber. Of course, just get started, probably from a mobile phone, a camera, just sitting around there. Uh, just anything, you can get started. Just make sure you put a precise content and don't expect the results. YouTube is beer mat beer. This is not a beer, this is iced tea. And even if it's a beer, why do we have a problem? Okay. What are you drinking? I'm a big fan of iced tea. In case you are new to the channel, it has been a ritual on this channel. Whenever I am on Saturday live, I take my iced tea and we keep on doing the live till we just go for this iced tea. So this is a whole ritual on this channel. In case you are new here, just remember, iced tea is going to be part of all of us. Whether you like it or not, it's going to stay on this channel. Dhruv says iced tea is love. Yeah, that's man. That's my man. Iced tea is love. Akul Srivastav, shout out. Hey, give shout out to Akul. I don't know why, but hey. Okay. So please don't drink. Why I will not drink. Iced tea equals Hitesh sir life. Yep, there we go. Sayan Nath. Thank you so much. You just get connected with me. You understand me, man. How to make iced tea in LCO style? It's actually pretty easy. I drink a variety of type of iced tea. The most common one is the Nestle one. I use I drink that a lot. I also have a big jar of the iced tea. That is one. But if the original iced tea comes up, that's the best. Okay. So what about Saturday coding challenge? A lot of people were asking me these Saturday coding challenge. The problem with the Saturday coding challenge that came up is the winners were getting so much amount of hate in the personal messages. Somehow people were finding them through GitHub and all of that, and they were facing so much hate that, hey, you know what, uh, we are getting so much hate, your code is better than me and all these things. So they send me all these screenshots, so many abuse that they were facing just because they have won a simple competition of 1,000 2,000 rupees. I felt really bad for the students that just because of my competition somebody has won and is facing so much of the hate. I didn't like it, so I thought, hey, we're gonna just close it down. Karthik says, I have my story to share with you. Being from a C grade university, how I managed to get into the Europe's best research institute. I'm on LCO since last 2 years. Hey Karthik, thank you so much for being a family of LCO from 2 years. I hope you know that LCO is just 2 years, almost like around such. Thank you so much for staying us, and I'm really happy that with our courses and all these things, we were able to give you such enough resources to learn. Of course, it's your hard work. Like 90% is your hard work, 10% is just our resource. So thank you so much and congratulations for cracking down. Probably, if you want to travel, I will be probably in Berlin for a conference in May. I will update it on my Instagram in case you are not connected yet. Join me up on Insta as well. I would post that in case you want to travel. You are already in Europe, so traveling to Paris to Berlin should be just a matter of like drive or something. So in case you want to catch me up there, you can definitely. So thank you so much for staying with us. Okay, Saurav Chandra, sir, Jaipur ka baare ho? The studio that you see all time here, this is in Jaipur. So I am in Jaipur. I always like to stay in this city. I love the Jaipur. I love Jaipur. Being from Iraq is a pain. Might be. Country is not doing really well, so it might be a little bit of the situation. Okay. Okay, so is there any LCO office in Delhi? Not yet, not yet. We are just focusing on the Jaipur office right now, and we are focusing more over content this month. Now, moving on from this month onwards, we are focusing more on putting up advertisements and all these things as well. Right now, we are just focusing on Jaipur and just the quality content. That's our focus right now. Muthu Kumar, hi sir. Hi Muthu Kumar, how are you? Uh, how to get goodies now? Goodies. Actually, I do have a couple of stickers. Let me show you that. These are the stickers that we have, and these will be available for free at LCO office. Come on, get out. Ow. So this is the one that I guess already almost all of you have seen. I write code, and this is the newer one that we are having, which is a coder. So this looks pretty cute. This is our mascot. Pretty looks pretty cute. So these are all going to be available for free, and we also will be sending a courier of these stickers and T-shirts to some of the competitions who are getting in touch with us. So this is going to be absolutely for free. Hey guys, you forgot to hit that like button. So please enable the slow mode. How to enable the slow mode? Okay, no idea. No, no, no. In desktop, I guess slow mode is not available. Okay. So I don't know how it works. I probably guess unexpectedly I've inserted an ad. Didn't want to do it, but it just okay. You talk about consistency, but why are you not consistent with Saturday Live? I think I am guilty as charged. I'm not consistent with Saturdays, so I take full responsibility of that. Sorry about that. I'm not consistent with Saturday Live. I should be. I am so sorry about it. That's all I can say. But sometimes when you work, you manage a lot of team, company, a lot of work. It's not easy. And again, YouTube is not my full time work. I just do it for fun and being connected. I think LCA logo should be your face. It's cute. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so Abhishek Agarwal, how are you doing, sir? I'm doing absolutely fine. I'm rocking with my ST. I hope you are doing good as well. Visit Northeast, sir. Okay. For all those who think that I haven't never visited Northeast, I have been into Northeast. In fact, I have given a personal one-on-one student workshop in Tejpur University as well. But it was years ago. I visited Assam, Tejpur. Tejpur was so fun, amazing, amazing place. So yes, I have been there. Not explored much, but yeah, I have been to the east. Just can't wait for the offline boot camp. Hey, Anurad, I can see you're quite active there. I hope you're enjoying all the content that we are producing. In fact, we cannot even wait for students to come up and join offline bootcamp. So whenever the offline bootcamp students comes up, they actually improve quite a lot, and we come to know about more projects, what more we can do for students, how we can improve the online quality. We learn so much too. It's not just a one-way thing that we just deliver the things and you just learn. In fact, we learn quite a lot from our offline student. So yeah. Okay, so let's pick up another question. Any plan to visit Kerala? I would love to. Whenever they invite, I would love to. It's I'm like, to be honest, I travel more in the southern part of the country as compared to any other part. Especially Bangalore is like quite common. I visit Bangalore probably like once in 2 months almost, and the southern part travel quite a lot. And in fact, one of my favorite places is Chennai. I love to have breakfast in anywhere in the Chennai. It's just super good breakfast. Okay. DSNL Go, any course and resource you recommend? We are working on something related to it, but it's not really easy to put up anything which is DSA. But we're trying. We're trying. Just want to code and travel like you. Hey, Sivajit, it's an awesome thing. Like I personally, honestly believe those people who don't travel, they have no idea what they are missing. And in order to travel, you don't need like thousands or lakhs of rupees. You can travel like to a nearby place in just 500 rupees or something. But make sure you explore a little bit more. It just opens up your mind and you understand things more. So in case, just use this Sunday, which is coming up, and try to travel a little bit, probably just 100, 200 kilometers from a place which you have never explored. Traveling is essential. React versus Flutter, you recommend to start. You can get started with any of that. Like both of them are fairly new and kind of a similar structure. So once you understand like React Native, you can move into Flutter. Once you understand the Flutter working, you can move into React. So getting started with any of that is like super easy. Who's going to teach Python in summer boot camp? I want to join. We do have a team to teach all of that. We, in fact, keep like 2 or 3 trainers at the same time on the floor. We take only 15 students. On 15 students, our team is there always. I'm also there like once in a week or twice in a week because, I have to manage online stuff, learn code online, YouTube videos. So I am available like once or twice in a week. But definitely our team is super skilled and we all the time keep 2 or 3 trainers who helps you in every single moment and just push you beyond your limit. Yash Patel says Discord server. The problem with the Discord is it's easy to create one server, but until unless I am responsible in managing that server and I take active part in that, there's no point on just creating a server and let it alone for that. So Deeptam Paul says, "Sir, I want to meet you in Jaipur. What's the location?" The location for our office is Jagatpura. This one is like personal. No, this one is no. So office is in Jagatpura. You can drop by whenever you like. It's open Monday to Saturday. In case you're coming to meet me up, let me know in advance because I'm usually available in the studio, not at the office. So just let me know. I'll be there. I'll be there for you. Okay, had emailed Team LCO on 8th March about boot camp. Sumit Bansal. Did you? Sorry about that. Did you miss your email? How is that possible? Let me check it right now. Okay, I'm usually active about that. Okay, 8th March. Okay, looks like we missed your email. This is April. And yep, looks like we missed your email. Probably you can send it again because I can see a flood of email coming up right now. The problem is we don't take like n number of students keep on coming. We just always close our seats just after 15 or 16 students, not more than that, because that's only we can handle. And that's why the email keeps on flooding. People keep on booking their seat in advance or something. Iced tea or cold coffee? Iced tea. Any given day. Iced tea. Nothing beats iced tea for me. Tapan Avasti. Thank you so much for super chat. Hey, you rock. Love your work. Thank you so much. I'm glad to have you as a teacher and miracle for me to join LCO. Hey, Yash, we are in fact super happy that you have joined up. I hope that we will be now able to serve students more and you'll be a part of that. And we will be able to build more awesome coders now. How to get started with automation like backend code? Hey, Ankit, thank you so much for super chat. In case you're looking up for getting started in automation, Selenium is like the amazing thing in case you want to get started. But in case you are looking up for backend, then you have to choose up very nicely and trickily. For example, one of the things that I recommend in case you want to get started with MongoDB is Mocha. It's like the amazing automation, not exactly automation. It's more of a testing framework. There's not like too much of the automation. You have to write manual scripts to check backend stuff. But again, I would recommend if you are going into automation, get started with Selenium because you're going to find a ton of job with that. Okay, so what is the best JavaScript or Python? That's a war. That's a war zone, man. If you're gonna start with anybody like JavaScript or Python, it's a war zone. You get into one, the other side is gonna shoot bombs on you. If you move on to that one, you get the point. And again, both of them are good. I work on both of them. How to get LCO t-shirt? LCO t-shirts are available for free for all the offline students. We haven't yet started to sell them online or something. I know we are getting a huge demand of it. Probably very soon we will be able to get that. What's your timing? What's your gym timing? Have you done it today? Yes, of course, I've done it. I have posted that on Instagram as well. I have been a continuous worker and as well as in the gym going streak. I've been doing it for really, really long. I don't think I have taken any break in the last like 3, 4 months or something. Absolutely fit. I look absolutely fit. Okay, so hi, any opportunities for iOS developers in LCO? Not right now, but if there will be any, again, video will come out just like always. We are going to put up. Probably like in upcoming months, we might have some opportunity. I'm not sure about it, but might be. Right now, we have just hired another person to put more support and replies in the question section. So definitely we are looking all the time about integrating more interns, more hiring full time and part time so that we can provide more support, more awesome courses. So all these things we do hire all the time. Okay, so Mac OS versus Windows, what's best for you? Thank goodness you have said what best for me. It's Mac. It's Mac, hands down. And probably I can make a video on that, like Mac versus Windows. I know I'm going to get a lot of bashing because I'm going to support Mac, but definitely it's going to be a fun video. Check my FB message. In a big trouble. Hey Tapanavasti, I don't check Facebook much, but if you say, I definitely can check it right now. No big deal. Where is my Facebook? I don't even know where it is. Come on, where is the Facebook? Oh, there we go. Actually, we do have separate things for Facebook. I don't use the Facebook account. I use the page as well. And I don't think there is your message here. No message here on my Facebook because you might have sent it on my Facebook account, which is already filled after 5,000 friends. Facebook don't allow you to add friends, so I have abandoned it. I don't use it much. I just on the page. Or I'm super active on Instagram. Okay, so competitive programming versus web mobile development or balance, please advise. I would say give like 5 or 6 months to competitive programming, but not more than that. If you're going to be just giving more time, then you'll get stuck into it, and you don't want to do that. You just want to take a little bit taste of it, like how the competitive programming is. But I personally honestly believe that what challenge you get in the actual real world product development is far more challenging than any competitive coding can give. So yeah. Okay, React versus Angular. I personally prefer React. So, which phone you're using? I'm using a Samsung phone. Probably you might have not realized I use a very heavy duty case on it, but it's a Samsung device. The I guess it's 10 plus, S10 plus. Yep, I remember. So this is the one I'm rocking right now. Pretty amazing, pretty cool device. I loved it. Especially the photos are absolutely amazing. Okay, so is there an internship for IT students? It's all the time available. It depends on how you are getting connected and all of that. Uh, be a creator or destructor. What's that news? Okay, I posted an Instagram story just like few. Hey guys, you forgot to hit that like button. Then I'm going to tell you the story of the Instagram about somebody who got sentence of 10 years of imprisonment. So hit that like button, and then we can start the story. Hey, start that. Okay, I can see some of you pressing the button, the like button. Once you move the like button, then I'm going to share you the story. Let's cross 200 at least. Come on, hit that like button. Okay, there we go. So I posted an Instagram story just a few hours ago that there was a person, a student, Indian origin student, who created a USB killer, some kind of virus, malware, or something, and he tested out that virus on university computers, all of that, and he somehow damaged all of the computer worth $58,000, and he is right now facing 10 years of sentence in United States. That is terrible, terrible news. If that kind of thing happens to any student, it's like career ending. And I really would say that, hey guys, be extra cautious when you're out of the country. It's not exactly like how you are having. So okay, so new people are still asking, is that beer you are drinking? That's iced tea. I'm a non-alcoholic person. I don't drink alcohol. I don't like it. It's not good for health. I'm a gym kind of a person. So iced tea, although it's a lot of sugar, it's not good for me, but still, that works. So it's iced tea. It's a ritual of our channel. All those old people who are connected with me from a long time, they know it. We just take this live session on PUBG Mobile. No, once my friend actually forced me to play PUBG. He got downloaded and all of that. I created an account, played for one game, and that's it. I deleted it. I knew it that it's very addictive. It's like Counter Strike for mobile. It's gonna go viral. It's one step ahead. I deleted it. I deleted it. Okay, please make that part two video of C++. I am. Do you live in America? No, 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 no. I would never like to live. I would never go to America for like entire shift of a career. I would like to stay in my country, which I believe has its problem a little bit, but it's the best country to live in. In fact, I recommend to all of my foreigner friends and as well, like, hey, get a shift in India. It's the best country to live in. It's hands down for everything, like from weather to travel to liberty to freedom to everything. It's the best country possible. Yes, of course, do travel in all those countries, but I think I've seen a lot of countries and I think this is the best. Even I do get a lot of chance to move away from the countries and everything, but nothing nothing beats India. It's the best country. Why only one type of t-shirt? I don't have many t-shirts, so sorry, just one t-shirt. I have I have 6 year. Okay, first and foremost, Amar Atri, thank you so much for super chat. I have 6 years of experience in PHP, and now I want to change PHP to Python with same salary slab. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Now, the reason why I'm saying yes is because it's not about that you have spent 6 years with PHP. It's about you've spent 6 years with programming. So you know the concept. Whenever somebody says, hey, there's a loop and you have to loop through it, you just say, yeah, I can do it. It's not about PHP. If you have spent more time with the programming in general itself and haven't like memorized the stuff in the PHP, then definitely if you move into Python and get a little bit experience on maybe web scraping, some of the regex stuff, and maybe Django, you definitely can move even in the higher slab after 6 years of experience. But I think you are understanding the big and important point here, that the 6 years I'm expecting that you have spent with programming and not just memorizing or copy pasting this PHP stuff. I'm thinking about core development. If you have done it, definitely you can move into higher slab of that. Okay, how many hours of work, how many hours you work in a day apart from YouTube? YouTube, whenever I post a YouTube videos, it consumes like 3 or 4 hours in a day. Depends on what kind of video I'm shooting up. If it's from DSLR, definitely. I don't like my video just to press record and just say it and just put it online. I don't like it. I know it's too much overkill for a YouTube. I just like to record it from variety of angles, then edit it, prepare the audio and everything. So it consumes like 3 or 4 hours of the day. Rest of all the hours are dedicated for work, maybe recording a course for Learn Code Online. That consumes like majority of my time, because there I upload videos. Like every single course is having nowadays is like 100 or 150 videos. There are too much videos. Do you work in some IT company? No, and yes, then no. I don't know what to say for that. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. Thank you so much, Apple lover. For phone, I use Android. So I love Android. For the desktop, Windows, I don't prefer it. I always all the time go for Mac. So yeah, kind of Apple lover and not. Okay, your first language. I studied C as my very first language, but the first language which I loved and I worked as a product onto it was Python. I worked on it, created a lot of scripts on that, automation and stuff. So that was my first. Ankit Paul, thank you so much for super chat. Shout out to Ankit. Okay, so Python was my very first language, which I can call like I learned C just like everybody learned in their college time and stuff like that. But I think the actual language which I learned and I used in my daily life was Python. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I still do enjoy working in Python. It refreshes my old memory. Can you teach any online course? Yes, I do teach some of the online courses, like live ones. For the online courses, most of the courses at learncodeonline.in are from me. So you can learn from there. If you're looking up for like one-on-one course online, live chats and something stuff, I do teach them from time to time, but I take them very selectively. Only the students who are absolutely dedicated. They're a little bit like overcharged. Uh, but again, I have to spend a lot of time with that, so that's why I do that. How do you do time management? That's one of my specialty. Apart from converting every topic from hard to easy, one of my other specialty is to manage time. From YouTube to Learn Code Online to managing the stuff, talking, and I'm all the time active on Instagram as well. You might have noticed I post ton of content there. I manage all of my team on WhatsApp as well by going live and all these things. So one of my thing is, and on top of that, I read books and documentation a lot. Priyansh Bansal says, will you make a course on DSA and a video on GSOC? Uh, for the GSOC, I have to take a time to explain GSOC and stuff. But for sure, the DSA course is definitely in our to-do list. But we don't want to hurry up in that DSA course because DSA is something, data structure and algorithm, probably, okay, that's outside. The book is still there out on my desk. Uh, what I really want to do with the DSA is, first and foremost, not to hurry up. I want to make a very precise course. I have actually 20 videos already ready on the DSA, and I'm about to delete them, all of them, because I think they are not up to the mark. So I'm going to delete all these 20 videos, and probably I'm going to start fresh again. So, yeah. Mahesh says six packs abs. No, 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 no. I don't have six pack abs. I have decent muscle size. So I'm happy with that. The reason for that is I don't give up my sugar. That's bad for me, but I don't. What after core Java? Android can be a great thing after core Java. After so long, Saurabh. That's a nice logo there, Saurabh. What's up? Hey, I'm doing good, Saurabh. Uh, okay, so hey, Desh, can you tell me how to start DS? Is it good for QA? Yes, of course. DSA, whenever you want to get start data structure, it's always good. Get started. No, no words for it. Okay, so from where do you get clients? In like last couple of months, we are not taking any external clients. We are just focusing on Learn Code Online. That's all what we wanted to do. But most of our clients come from Canada. We do get US clients as well, but most of the time we get from Canada. Like somehow we are a little bit more popular, or our networking is more good there. So probably just like that. Making money is easy. Uh, it's not, my dear friend. It's not. It's not easy. Tarang Bansal, thank you so much for super chat. Anybody who thinks that making money is easy, it's not, my dear friend. It's really, really tough. Any chance to get internship at LCO for Android? Uh, it depends how much work you know. If you are pretty skilled in Android, we definitely can have an opportunity for internship. But we don't like to do that kind of stuff. Like we're calling that as internship, but you are coming up here and taking daily classes and attending. No, we don't do that. We do have separate opportunities for that, but for we don't do that kind of stuff when we say that we are calling for internship and we give training. No, that is wrong. Electron JS course on channel. I think we are going to move into Electron JS very soon. Now we have a good team. Oh my goodness, that's going so fast. So we are having and preparing, building up good teams. So hopefully that's going to get up. Okay, so somebody is just promoting some of the group company. Let me just go ahead and hide user on this channel. Yes, of course, I want to do that. Okay. JS is so powerful, crushing everything like React apps, software, Electron JS, and other stuff. Yes, you're kind of a right in like many places, but definitely now you're working with us, so you're gonna learn how to professionally move in one language and finish up like nailing it down into anything. Whenever we move into any subject, we like to just nail it down for permanent like that. So right now, we have just finished up our previously, we finished up our Android P course, nailed it down absolutely. The best course. We are getting so many registrations every single day. Now we moved into React Native. We absolutely killed that. And right now, this is like the best seller on our Learn Code Online website. We're getting so many registrations every single day. We're super happy. Now, next we came up with the Dart course, which is getting like decent. It's not getting like heavy traffic, decent traffic, but definitely it's going to pick up as soon as we move on into the next course. We are going to definitely going to kill it up. Okay, Zishan says, hello, Hitesh sir. You know about Thunkable or Codular? Please say about something. All I can say is stay away from them. I know it's a little bit harsh. Thunkable is good if you want to just drag and drop and be happy. Hey, I have published an app. But what's the thing that you are learning? These drag and drop builders, they don't have that much creativity. They don't have that much freedom. So I would say go for actual development where actually code is written. That is far more better for you in long term. Again, I know a lot of people like to have like short term benefit, but no, my dear friend, you don't want to do that. It's not good. Okay. Any opening for remote internship? Love your content. Hey, we all the time have remote opportunities for a lot of things. We just have hired another guy. You might have seen them in replying in the Python course quite a lot, Yash. And we definitely are looking up for more. The more you get connected with me on Instagram and stuff, I just hire like I'm chatting with the friends like on Instagram and just show them an offer. Hey, would you like to work for us? And they say, yeah, I would love to. So this is how most of the time hiring goes up at Learn Code Online. They show me some of their products. They show me their GitHub. I like them. I offer them. They sometimes take it. So that's how most of the time it's done. I see. Yes, of course. Priyam Sudhar. Shout out to Priyam. He recognized the old Ice Tea, the trademark of the channel. Probably I'll include that in my probably channel thumbnail or channel art. Ice Tea is love. Something like that. Sir, you don't reply me. Hey, SL Gaming. No, it's not like that. Super chat actually runs like so fast. I have to like pick it up. Did 6 cent technology pave the way for VR? That's an interesting thought. Very, very interesting. I think somehow that was like the seed which was planted for the VR. I think that's a very good thought. I like it. I like it. Okay, so love your content tips for web development, sir. Thank you so much, Vishal. I am actually was reading a documentation of one of the video that is going to come up probably on Monday. So that is going to be related for the web development. I'm actually reading a few docs here so that I can make it easier for you. Probably you can expect a video on Monday about web development. It's going to be there. Okay, so sometimes it just goes like really fast and then it slow down so that I can read something from here. Okay, it's just can we expect updated iOS course? Yes, definitely. This time we are going to launch an iOS course as well. Okay. Do you do networking and break ice with new people? Yes, of course. I do it all the time. I don't hesitate saying hi to any new stranger. I do this all the time. Most of the time, the programmers are shy person. They don't like to interact. They don't like to talk. They are more of an introvert. But I think what I have realized, the more I work on the skills to talk people, I get more business. I get more clients. I get more friends and all these stuffs. I always lent my first hand of help to anybody that I see around. So that's a good thing. In general, I do that. Okay, how to prepare for product-based company? Are you slipping me? I guess yes, maybe, maybe not. Product-based company actually heavily focus on first and foremost your data structure skills. Of course, you should be skilled in one or two programming language. That's like compulsory. They focus a lot on the DSA because they want everything optimized. So you might want to check out the data structure course. In one of my video where I recommended books for programmers, I have recommended one book for practicing your coding interviews and stuff. So that is compulsory. You cannot skip without that. Turn on slow mode. I don't know how to do this. There is no option showing on for this. Uh, okay, I don't know how to do this. Probably that slow mode is, I have to enable it in advance before going to the stream or something like that. Okay. Which is better for future, Android or React Native? Now, here is a big thing. Both of them are having amazing future. You don't have to worry about anything if you go with Android Core or React Native. Both of them are good. But the point is, even if you learn like React Native, that's a business thing. All of the people or companies who are having a business solution, they love React Native. They don't want to do Android core development. But sometimes there are some nitpicking skills, like probably generating a SHA, these skills that are eventually handy. So what is your goal? You quickly want to get a job in Bangalore or something, I think React Native can help you quickly getting there. Or probably you're looking for a little bit longer time, then I would recommend go for Android development as well as for later on React as well. So it's all about your goal. Is LCU a product-based company? It's hard to say because we are not dealing up some product like Gmail or anything that you can use or implement. But on the other side, if I look up at these courses, they definitely are kind of a product that we are delivering and preparing. So it's kind of in between middle that yes, we are producing products. Our courses are our products, but definitely not purely a product base. We are moreover into uh, it's like a teaching company. Yes, we honestly say that. I know a lot of institute just shies away and they say, no, we are not a teaching company. We are a core teaching company. And we believe in that, that yes, teaching is amazing. It should be absolutely amazing. And that's what we do. Okay, Kunal Sani, thank you so much for super chat. Can you make a course on Flask? I do already have a course on Django. So if I'll make a course on Flask, I'll probably put that absolutely for free. So yeah, as far as I'm with you, I can deep dive in any language and technology LCO is love. Thank you so much. That's exactly kind of people I'm looking up for LCO, who are ready to dive deep into any given technology, even given programming language, and we together can come up with an absolute beautiful course that everybody can enjoy and watch and learn from it. So that's what definitely we will be doing up in the upcoming weeks. Please bring back Saturday Coding Challenge. Please, 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 Anurag Group. Yes, I need to figure out a better way so that winners don't get hate from other people. I have to figure out a way of dealing up with the Saturday Coding Challenge. I probably will. I probably will do that. Hopefully very soon. Uh, Is it possible to cut down prices of your course? No, not at all possible because what we are doing is just 7.99 or 5.99 or 6.99 rupees, which is your t-shirt might be more expensive than a course which includes hundreds of videos, and we provide support and certification. We do even have a dedicated hired staff to answer your questions. So reducing down that pricing, it's not possible. Even the amount of bandwidth that we consume, it's all like we are not making a huge amount of money with that, definitely for sure, because we are just giving it at so low rate. And on top of that, the services that we are providing, it's insane. Like in some of the courses, we are having 2 or 3 people who are replying to your questions within 24 hours. That's a big deal. I know you love it, and that's why we are doing it. Node.js or Python after learning React.js? Okay, it's a situational question. It's a situational question by Ashish. Thank you so much for super chat. Since you have already gone through with React.js, that's why I would suggest you to first go in Node.js. Python is great. I know you love it. Probably you want to deep dive into it. Machine learning, all of things attract you. But right now, since you are already completed in React.js, go and finish up just one thing, which is web development. And after learning Node.js, you will be able to call yourself as a full stack developer. You know the front end part, you know the back end part. So just finish it up first. Okay, don't you think there should be Wikipedia of LCO? I don't know. Maybe. Like, who reads Wikipedia? I know it's top in the search, but never thought about it. Probably. Is LCO medium or big website? The term medium or big, really, I would say I'm thankful because definitely we are not in the smaller size. That's absolutely for sure. The amount of traffic that we are getting and the ranking right now that we are having for the website, uh, I guess we are in the top 5 or 6 thousand websites in India. I think that places us in the little bit above level on the medium, not like the highest one. But if you check out the ranking, so we definitely can have that. Why the hell did I start watching your videos? I don't know. It's your choice. But hey, just chill out. No such hard feelings. You can start whenever you like. No big deal. No big deal. Hey Tesh, how can I know about your courses? Where is that chat? I think I missed. And their fee structure. Hey Mohammed, the courses are available at learncodeonline.in. There is a courses tab. And all of our courses are just 599 rupees, 899 rupees or something. We don't have any hidden charges. We don't like to give like, hey, we don't do malicious business. We just like to be open, absolutely transparent and clear. Pretty easy. Just visit website or directly want to visit it, courses.learncodeonline, and you'll find that. LCO is made up of what? Uh, there's a lot of thing going on at LCO. It includes a little bit of PHP, a whole lot of JavaScript, um, a little bit of Ruby here and there as well. And have made at Learn Code Online. Okay, so Flutter videos. Oh, there. That was a nice R. Yes, it's gonna come up. I am currently working on Flutter. It's gonna come up very soon because it's not about just I can make a video and push it out. I definitely gonna take my time a little bit on that, but I'm gonna nail it down. Absolutely amazing. Okay, else you need to solve WordPress issues. Yeah, I also think so. We need to resolve them. Probably will work them very soon. Okay, so let's pick up. Uh, Sri, I'm sorry, they said. Hey Sri, no hard feelings. I was a little bit mad at that time because I trusted on you and that was things. But I think it was situational. So no hard feelings, Sri. I open-heartedly welcome you again in case whenever you want to just be in touch or anything. It's totally okay. You have accepted your mistake. That's enough. That's enough for me. All happy, all rainbows and sunshine again. So don't worry, Siri. I'm really happy that you came up and you took the guts to say sorry. I think that's the biggest thing I have seen in you. I would say best of luck for future. And in case you need anything from my side, I'm always there. I'm always there. No worries. And cheers again, Siri, for iced tea. Okay, so many smileys. Video on ethical hacking. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm way beyond that life. I have left that. So that part I'm not going back. WordPress course. Not like WordPress usage course, maybe a course on theme development or something. But we have to go back into PHP domain. Don't want to do that right now. Probably not in a couple of months. Haha, I thought you were drinking beer. Even if that's beer, I don't know why is that such a big issue. But I'm a non-alcoholic person. I'm a gym lover. All the time I post content about gym. So probably it's never gonna be beer. Never, never. Okay, so let's pick up a couple of more questions. Hey guys, you forgot to hit that like button. I guess. Okay, that's interesting. Right now we have more likes than what more people are watching it. I've been so long gone. I don't want to close this chat. It's super fun. What about TensorFlow and neural network? We are going to go into that. Just after we finish this on-hand course, we're going to go into Python domain. Are you married? No, not at all. Not yet. Uh, JavaScript is future. I just love this world on the internet. JavaScript is future. Python is future. Flutter is future. React Native is future. Beer is good for the big stomach, baby. I don't have a big stomach. I hit the gym like 6 days in a week. So I don't have it. I'm pretty good in shape. I love it. Thought on foldable smartphone and future in development app for this. I think this foldable phones are piece of garbage. I don't like that. I even don't like this phone. It is way big than what a phone should be. I think I personally honestly love the size and the brick-like structure of iPhone 4 or 5, whatever that was. That was the best phone that you can have. Now keep the phone since you have achieved the technology of putting up like bezel-less phones. Just shrink the phone a little bit. Just keep it like this size. That's it. That's all what we want here. Don't want to have like foldable phones and then MKBHD scratches the surface. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. I don't like it. Probably even if it's like $500 in the range of $500, $600, I would not buy a foldable phone. I would not go for it. Probably I'm too old school, but I don't like it at all. Okay. Do you know Nikarika who teaches English on YouTube? I have heard about it, but I haven't actually checked the channel because I was not aware of the name of it. Now I know it. Probably I'll check it. I have heard and read a couple of articles about it. Never got a chance to check it. Glass is glass and it can break. Of course, we are all right on that phase. Glass is glass and it's definitely going to break. Uh, course on C Sharp, maybe. ML internship at LCO. We are hosting an ML boot camp, so you might want to check that out. In case you already are skilled in ML, then probably you can talk on call. We can Put you in touch with the internship stuff and all that. Probably. Learn GS from LCO. Now, can I start React Native from LCO now? Yes, of course you can. Just after learning the JavaScript, you can move into React Native. No big deal. May I ask queries regarding offline bootcamp? I think you can call if you want to talk about offline bootcamp. There is a number, but make sure you don't call it right now. This is not a good time. It is never good time to disturb anybody on Sundays or Saturday night. No, you don't want to do that. But again, you can call from Monday to Saturday. There's a contact number available for the offline bootcamp student. Feel free to call. No big deal in that. In case you want to talk to me or something, just let know because you're already coming in the boot camp. Then you'll be having access to my personal contact number, personal email, and all this stuff. After that, you'll be just in touch with me. Please shout out Paresh Singh. Okay, shout out Paresh Singh. Don't know the reason, but yeah. uh, when to use Django and when to use Express.js? Whenever you like. Again, I have to like make a video like what are the things we take care while deciding the stack whenever we build a product. There's a whole lot of research that goes on, especially the pricing and all of that. So it's not about you just pick up anything. Initially, when designing a prototype, you can pick up anything, but later on, it's a big thing. Okay. Okay, so the actual programming says your views about SAP company and what exactly happens in the internship, and there are so many smiling, laughing emojis. That means I don't want to talk about it. You know what happens in most of the internships. In most of the internship that you go up, either you don't show up and you get a certificate at the end, or in some of them you just get a training in the name of internship, and in the rest of them you just pass on files here and there. You don't write actual code. Yeah, that's a sad truth, but it happens. Can LCO certificate help to get job? I hope you are not aware about the LinkedIn stories and Instagram stories that I post. A couple of certificates actually landed up. Students actually went into the company, show up a certificate. They skipped a couple of interview rounds just because they were having our certificate. And the interviewer said, if you're learning from Hitesh, you're learning from Learn Code Online, I would directly like to look at your GitHub. And I would love to directly give you a challenge to solve that and directly get started with that. That's the power. And it's not about the power of certificates or something. It's about the power of quality that we are delivering. And students are taking advantage of that. And I'm super happy with it. Yes, I follow you on Insta. Okay, shout out to uh, Prithvi Raj because he follows me on Instagram. Hitesh0141. Probably tomorrow is Sunday. We're gonna do a live on Instagram on Sunday, and probably we can start. Okay, there's a question. I got an internship after the Android course from Hitesh sir and projects. Yes, of course. The important point: projects. That's why you got it. So congratulations, Anirudh, and best of luck. You are doing pretty good. Okay, so you know me, Apurvan. Probably I know you, but I'm not sure. So you don't reply me. Job or business? In case you want to live a happy life, like I don't give a damn about what happens or anything, pick up the job. Because doing a business is a lot of headache. You want to take care of your accounts, salaries, how the business is going up, is it rising or not? Will you be able to pay out salaries of your employees or not? There's a whole lot of headache. You have no idea about it, but it actually is there. Uh, I would have said that after doing so many years of business and stuff, I would say that if you want to live a happy life, just do a job, chill out. That's it. You get your Saturdays off, you get your Sundays off. But in business, it's a different thing. Prithvi says how to start career in ML for fresher. First and foremost, get started with Python, and then you might want to check out the libraries of Python, and that's basically how you can get started with it. In case you want to get like proper guidelines of how to do it, I do have an ML course on Learn Code Online. You can check it out. But again, the first point is grab your Python skills as much as you can. Web dev training at Jaipur at LCO. I guess we don't have it right now, but I heard the news from the office that they were planning to launch a bootcamp on web dev as well. I'm not sure what's going on at office right now, uh, but I think any financial aid on your bootcamp, sir? No, we don't have that right now. Probably in the future we might have it. But again, those company who provide the financial aid, they are very good. They are already charging 25,000. We are charging just a fraction of it. So you get it. You get it. Okay, so I started Android development is I have to switch to Flutter. No big deal. You can switch it. You will be still happy there. Okay, so Steve Wozniak greater than Steve Jobs. Both have their fair share in the company. And it's not like without Steve Jobs, Wozniak could have done a success. Without Wozniak, Steve Jobs could have done success. They have their fair share because when you run a company, as a beginner, when you are a kid, I used to do that as well. That who created the things is a big hot shot in the market, but it's not. Marketing holds an equal and fair share as compared to the product as well. If you create like the amazing product and it's just sitting on the shelf, nobody's doing marketing for it, it's of no use. And if the product is not that much good, no matter how marketing you are doing, how much marketing you are doing, it's not going to sell out. So the balance between creating a great product and putting up the marketing efforts is equally important. Some of the people don't like marketing, but it's really important. I have learned it a little bit late that yes, it's important. That's why we get it. Okay, so 39th attempt. Looks like you're slipping me out. I will keep typing. Hey, Wahaj, I'm not slipping you out. Probably I'll address you separately in a video or something. Some topics requires a separate thought and separate videos, so probably that's the case. Uh, Jatin says, live with Chote Bhai. Hopefully soon. Okay, should I learn React Native for mobile application after learning full stack development? Yes, of course. If you have done with the full stack development, React Native should be the next target because you will be able to just one hand, single man army is taking care of website as well as mobile app. That's a big deal. Okay, so memory leak. I probably can create a video on that. There is a nice from Rakshit Garg, console.log. Hello, console.log. How are you? Nice. That is super nice. Okay, so when do you plan to get married? Aishwarya asked. Not soon because I want to travel a little bit more. And I do have a travel planned up very soon. I am going to explore a whole lot of country. Once I get a full-fledged visa from all of them, I'm going to share it and probably will put some vlogs as well. I don't do much of the vlogs, but definitely I'll do that. Uh, okay, so let's pick up more questions. So tell your views about Vue. To be honest, Vue is a little bit more easier than React. Definitely, React has more things that you can do, but Vue is much more simpler and much more easier than React. Should I learn coding as a hobby? Yes, of course, you can do that. If coding is not your full stream, like you are not doing engineering or something, then surely you can do as a side hobby. Like I do photography as my side hobby, and my photos are having over 10 million views on just one website, another one with just 5 million views and downloads, of course. So definitely, I would say if you want to learn it as a part time, it's a great hobby. Okay, there's the super chat. How to start data structure and algorithm. Hey Akshay, thank you so much for super chat. I think the first step to understand the data structure algorithm is master the language. Whether that's Python, Java, or C++, first and foremost, you should be absolutely killer in that language. Once you have gone through with the basics of it, what are the classes and all these things are available by default in that language, then you should move into data structure, find out all these searching, sorting, all that. I have previously recommended in one of my videos about books on data structure, and definitely cracking the coding interview is the holy bible. You want to definitely check that out book. It's an amazing book. I have recommended it in the past, and I studied that during my Amazon interview as well. Helped me quite a lot, and I still do read it, check it out here and there. So definitely want to check that out. Can we put Android certificate in my CV? Yes, of course. In fact, I would say you should. You should. You do not want to skip that. Flutter Redux. Now, to be honest, the Flutter guys actually recommend to use the block, the business logic component. But I think I still would say Redux is actually doing amazingly well in the Flutter as well. And I think Redux is going to get another star just because they work so well and nicely in React and React Native. It works charmingly well in the Flutter side as well. Nobody right now is talking about it much, but I think compared to the block business logic component, this Redux thing is doing better and performing better in here. So probably I'll make a video on that. That's good. So since iced tea is gone, I think that's all what we're gonna do for your iced tea is empty. Yep, the live session actually works till we go for the iced tea stuff. So we're gonna just stop this uh, all this live chat and now, but definitely we're gonna do another live on Instagram on Sunday, probably around afternoon, late afternoon or something. We're gonna have more chat. And when I do Instagram live, I talk actually one on one with person so that I can take more it up. Fill up your mug. It's gone for now. So probably what we are gonna do is we're gonna do an Instagram live chat. In that, I pick up random people who send me requests, and I pick them up, talk to them, say hi, say hello. That is moreover fun. So we're gonna do another Instagram live tomorrow around mid something. So okay, so where do I send your resume? I know drag K mode in Android, dragger KT mode in Android. uh, right now we are not looking up for any resume or anything, but definitely I'll share. So I was saying on the Instagram, Hitesh0141. The reason why it's 0141 is because I'm from Jaipur. The STD code for Jaipur is 0141. I love my city so much. In fact, I love India so much, but I have a little bit soft corner heart for my Jaipur. That's why my Instagram says Hitesh0141. So that's it. And make sure you join me up there as well. And that's it. And if you want to know more advice about Samsung foldable phones, they're not my type. They're bad. I use the Samsung. So that's it. Bye bye. And let me say bye bye to a whole lot of you. Uh, Recent book you read. I'm going to talk about that in the Instagram section. So Ashish, bye bye. Uh, First Malik, bye bye. Will there be next session? Yes, of course. We're gonna do Saturday coding, Saturday chat, Saturday live. Back again. It's gonna be back. So bye bye, Nilesh, Keshav, Saurav, sorry, Rishabh. Okay, there's so many. I want to read all of the names just for fun. Okay, Kirti, Amar, Nimesh, Abhin, Jatin. I want to read more. Gaurav. Bye bye, guys. Swapnil. Bye bye, Swapnil. Bye bye, Veerdaj. Bye bye. It's hard to read now. I'll still try. Mahesh. Bye bye. Swapnil. Bye bye. Abhi. Abhin. Shubham. Manish. I want to read more. Kirti. Rohit. Tushar. Everything else. Aryan. It's so hard now. It's getting really hard now. Let's just stop it. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for showing it up. I'm gonna catch you up in another live on next Saturday. That's it. Bye bye. Keep on coding. And no, I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to record more videos for you guys so that you can catch them up very soon at Learn Code Online. Bye bye. Have a good day and keep coding and stay positive. Very important for YouTube.